In this crochet cord tutorial you will know how to make a round element cord with beads and without. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and the beads. Begin the work by making a chain. Let's start. Make a chain 1, and then pull up this loop. At this point you should join a bead. Take the bead, put it on the hook, and take back a working loop on the hook and pull through the bead. Then make a chain 1. You can fix it if you want. We have just fixed the bead. And now let's start to make the cord. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. It is our foundation chain. Then make quadruple treble crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the all loops on the hook with help of your finger. Insert the hook in the first chain with bead. Through the yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well done. Then make single crochet stitches under the quadruple treble crochet stitch. At the beginning I will crochet under the quadruple treble. There are the basics of the round element. Let's start. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn. Turn our work. Let's start to make 9 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Well done. I need to turn the work. I will be working under the foundation chain. Make 2 single crochet under the foundation chain. 1 and 2. Well done. Then half double crochet 2. 1 and 2. Make double crochet 2. 1 and 2. It has been done. Continue the round with 2 treble crochet stitches. 1 and 2. And now double treble 2. Yarn over 3 times. Double treble 1 and 2. Well done. To continue, I need to turn the work right and make a chain, then 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There should be 5 of them. Then treble crochet 2 together into the first chain of the foundation chain. First treble crochet, the second treble crochet. And now make double treble into the same chain stitch. Well done, we have 4 loops on the hook, and now take the working yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook. The double crochet 2 and double treble have one top. Then I will be making another round motif. For this I will stop at this point and show you. Firstly, we continue working this side, and on this side, then I will continue working in the middle. Let's begin. Make single crochet 7 under the double treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Turn the work right and continue single crochet 7 under the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has been done, and begin to crochet in the middle as I said before. At the beginning I am working here, single crochet 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And then continue working here. Turn the work right. Again, single crochet 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's stop at this point and look what we have done. There is a round motif which consists of 2 small motifs. And we will make chain and continue the work in the backward side. Let's begin. Turn the work, make a chain, single crochet 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then turn the work again, then single crochet 5 into the next stitches of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Let's stop and look at our work. It is the middle of the element. It has already been made. And we continue the work. Make single crochet 2 into the next stitch of previous row. 1 and 2. Then single crochet. Then half double crochet 2 into the next stitch of previous row. 1 and 2. Continue just half double crochet. Double crochet 2 into the following stitch. 1 and 2. Then just double crochet. Double crochet 2 into the next stitch of previous row. Just 1 double crochet. Let's look here and look. One part of the element has been made. Then I am working at the opposite side. Continue. Double crochet 2 into the next stitch of previous row. 1 and 2. Then just double crochet. Then double crochet to 1 and 2. Then double crochet. Then double crochet 2 again. 1 and 2. And now make double crochet and treble crochet into the stitch of previous row. Yarn over for the double crochet and make double crochet. And yarn over 2 times for the treble crochet. Well done. We need to make last treble crochet into the top stitch of previous row in this stitch. Make treble crochet. You can see the stitch of previous row where we have just made treble crochet. Now I am turning the work. It is visible too. We have just made the round motif with beads. We straighten this element to give it bigger volume. You can make your element long enough by crocheting as many small motifs as you need. And now we are looking for the chain at the beginning of the row. Insert the hook in this chain, pull through by making a slip stitch. Our round element has completely been made. Let's look at this side and then another side as you like better. We were talking about the front side, and now it is back side of this round element. Let's look how we can join the next bead. I am pulling up the working loop. Take the bead, put it on the hook. Take the working yarn through the bead. Then make a chain. We have an unusual cord with bead, and repeat the same by pattern like before. Let's make the foundation for the next crochet round element. Chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then make quadruple treble crochet stitch. Yarn over 5 times. Insert the hook in the chain with bead. Draw the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through loops on the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Our foundation for the next element has been ready, and do it in the same way as we did before. Make a chain, single crochet 9, 1, 2 and so on. You will make this element by yourself. We have made the second element of the cord. Also in this crochet cord instruction we have learned how to crochet cord with bead, and now let's see how to make this same cord without beads. We have already completed this element. We have just make a chain without a bead. And then we make the same foundation as we have made before. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Well done. Then make quadruple treble crochet stitch, yarn over 5 times. Insert the hook into the 7th chain from the hook which we have made without the bead. Pull up the loop, pull through 2 loops on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The foundation has been made and we have started to make the element it has been made before. Today we have learned how to crochet a cord made of small round motifs with beads and without beads. Thanks for watching.